Greetings to everybody. It's your only boy. Should I say boy or man? It's your only man, Bounce Dick. Have you ever wondered how bee touch honey, the only uniquely unique and natural honey, is being made? Come with me. Let's go to Moffat Apiary's Bee Farms. And there, in this episode, I will show you how Moffat Apiary Bee Farms guide the process and nature does the work. Watch. So here is Moffat Apiary Farms where the bees does the work and we only guide the process. Life is all about planning and plotting, and in planning and plotting, you prepare. Opportunities can never miss the one who is prepared. So, in our farms, we prepare these hives, about thousands and hundreds of them, to the farm to await our lovely hard-working bees. Okay, in honey making, the bees, that is the worker bees, collect nectar from the flowers and store it in their special honey stomach. That's not the same as their food stomach. They store it in a special honey stomach. So when you come to Moffat Apiary's bee farm, you can see the flowers whereby the worker bees are picking the nectar from the flowers. In the farm, you can see the transfer of the smaller hives into the large hives, that's the big hives. So in the hives, these worker bees, what they do is that they pass the nectar to other bees to add enzymes, and these enzymes helps in breaking complex sugar into simpler sugars like glucose and fructose, and they make a honeycomb cells. That is a honeycomb cell. They keep the nectar into the honeycomb cells, fan the nectar with their wings to remove water from the nectar, and the nectar slowly thickens to become honey. And once the honey is ready, these bees seal the honeycomb cells with beeswax. And this beeswax prevents the honey from fermentation and keeps it fresh. Now, honey is ready. We are going inside to fetch the honey. But safety first. They got to protect themselves, fully dressed and well protected to protect themselves and the bees.
Make I enter Kolo. Somebody enter Kolo.
They don't rush. They do not destroy anything. They harvest the honey carefully, leaving the bees not harmed. Very ethical, natural, and sustainable. This honeycomb is then sent to the process lab. So you can see here slowly squeezing the honey from the honeycomb slowly to bring out the honey. No heat is attached to this. No fire is applied to this. So the enzymes are still intact. You can see that for yourself. And then they then fill it to this form. Then we get our bee-touch honey ready for consumption. So after the honey has been successfully removed from the honeycomb, you can see we make our wax ready. That's the wax, the bee wax. We get a bee wax after the honey has been successfully removed. You can see the bee wax shaped into different shapes. So any company who need wax for their production can also contact us. Vetted and approved by the FDA. So those who uses honey in their production, those companies who need wax, you can call on these contacts. Those individuals who uses honey as well call the same contact. We end here on this episode. It's your boy, Bounce Nick. Peace out.